Hey fam, hope you're doing well wherever you are. I come to you bearing good news. I don't know if you've heard about this, but if you haven't, I'm pretty sure you are gonna love this report. It comes from Burkina Faso. And this report is about Burkina Faso's new policy, land policy to be specific. Burkina Faso's new land policy, recently enacted by President Ibrahim Traore, significantly restricts foreign ownership of rural land, essentially prohibiting foreigners from holding title deeds on rural land, aiming to strengthen land governance and ensure the state maintains control over national resources. This policy also includes formally recognize customary land rights of indigenous communities and allowing long-term leases for agricultural purposes only. So what's good about this land policy is that it restricts foreigners and foreign companies' ownership. They cannot claim or take the land of the natives as they please. Unfortunately, in a lot of African countries, it's a problem. Land is a problem, is an issue that we're dealing with till this day. A lot of African countries are still facing the negative impact of colonialism. Even after the former colonial masters left, some of them stayed and they still have huge acres of land and the companies belong to them, and it's just a mess. So for Burkina Faso to go ahead and restrict that, it's going to make it very hard for foreigners, foreign companies, multinationals to claim, even former colonial masters from claiming and trying to take away land from the people. And let's not forget, this is for rural land and it's going to help the locals more than anybody. And the other one is customary land rights. And this policy is aiming to formally acknowledge and protect traditional land rights held by indigenous communities. We've seen there's been a problem. We've talked about Maasais just being kicked out left and right out of their land because a huge company is coming and they want to plant. A foreign company wants to do something there and they're kicked out and they have nowhere else to go. These indigenous people need to be respected, need to be prioritized, and Burkina Faso is doing just that. So some of the positive impacts that this new land policy is going to bring to the people of Burkinabe is that, number one, it will reduce land grabbing. People can't just go and grab a land and claim that it's theirs while pushing away the person that was there for years. This limits foreign land ownership. The policy could potentially curb large-scale land acquisitions by foreign investors. And the second one is improved food security. By prioritizing local farmers' access to land, the policy will be contributing to enhanced food production. As I told you, this land policy is beneficial to the farmers because they're the rural areas. Now the foreigners can't just come and claim and take land from them. And secondly, this is going to improve farming because the local farmers are getting access to land. And thirdly, this is going to help with conflict mitigation. Addressing land tenure issues through formal recognition of customary rights will reduce land conflicts. So, again, a plus. So, in a nutshell, this new land policy introduced by the young leader Ibrahim Traore is going to help the people of Burkina Faso. We love to see it. Let me know down below what your thoughts are about this new policy. I am Wongel Zelalem. I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed. Bye.